how to log out from Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out from Notion, whether you're done working for the day or just switching accounts. Make sure to stick around till the end so you don't miss any step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Notion. If you're not logged in yet, you'll need to sign in first before you can log out. You can just hit continue with Google and choose the right account to sign in quickly. Once you're logged in, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see your workspace name there. Click on it. That'll open a drop-down menu with several options. Now scroll through that menu until you find Logout. It might be tucked away between other settings, but it's there. Click on it. You might get a confirmation pop-up asking if you really want to log out. Go ahead and confirm it. And just like that, you're logged out of Notion. If you're ever using a shared or public computer, it's definitely a good idea to log out when you're done. That's it. I hope it helped you out. If you want more tips and tutorials like this, make sure to stick around. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.